Assalamu alaikum viewers. Today we will discuss web protocols. What are the web protocols? We have discussed in the previous video. Web is the World Wide Web, and protocol is actually set of rules which is used to communicate between two nodes, two systems. Now we will discuss internet protocols. The internet protocol specifies both high level behavior of the software implementing the protocols, mean set to set of rules, and low level detail information such as specific fields of information that will be contained in a communication message. Examples: TCP, transmission control protocol, user datagram protocol, internet protocol, and ICMP. We will discuss these four types of protocols in the next slides. Web protocols: the protocols which are required in web for communication, for connection making, for communication between two systems, data transferring between two places. That protocols are known as web protocols. HTTP, Hypertext Transfer Protocols. HTTP stands for Hypertext Transfer Protocol. It is the standard protocol for transferring web pages and their content across the internet. That is very important. HTTP, which is mostly used in the websites. What is the HTTP and HTTPS? What is the difference between these two protocols? First we will discuss the HTTPS. HTTPS is stand for Hypertext Transfer Protocol Secure. It uses an extra secure socket layer, SSL, socket secure socket layer. Think of it as a secure version of the HTTP. HTTPS is used primarily on web pages that ask you to provide personal and sensitive information such as password or your credit card details. When you browse a web page using HTTPS, you are using SSL, secure socket layer. For a website to use HTTPS, it needs to have an SSL certificate installed on the server. Here is the pictorial view of HTTP and HTTPS. Here is the user and the connection between user and normal HTTP. This is the insecure connection. Here Helen is the user and she is sending a message. Hacker will hack and see ABC123, which is the password of the Helen. This is insecure connection, but in the below figure we can look at Carol sending a message on www.example.com. Password is ABC123. But in HTTPS, the password will be encrypted. With password encryption, hacker can see this encrypted password, and the connection will be encrypted connection, and information will be sent with secure link. Web protocol HTTP and HTTPS, we have difference. We can make a difference between HTTP and HTTPS. The HTTP URL starts with HTTP and uses port 80 as its default port. The HTTPS URL starts with HTTPS // and uses port 443 as its default port. HTTP is not secured and is susceptible to man-in-the-middle attacks, which may lead to virus injection and leak sensitive information to attackers. HTTPS is encrypted and secured. It has the capability to resist such attacks and provides authentication, privacy, and security. HTTP protocol was invented by Sir Timothy John. This protocol, HTTPS protocol, was invented by Netscape Corporation for its Navigator browser. HTTP does not use an SSL certificate for communication and data encryption, but HTTPS uses SSL certificates for communication and data encryption. HTTP addresses the need to exchange information over the internet, but the HTTPS addresses the need to exchange confidential information over the insecure internet. HTTP does not improve search ranking, but HTTPS improves search ranking. In the year 2014, Google began utilizing HTTPS as a ranking signal. It is faster than HTTPS because of its simplicity. It is a stateless protocol and does not recall anything of the preceding web session. It is slower than HTTP. This is because establishing a secure session takes up some processing time. HTTP does not save the referral data. Referral sources only appear as direct traffic. HTTPS preserves referral data, thus makes Google Analytics more effective and proves to be a big advantage for SEO. HTTP less trusted with visitors as they feel a risk of security breach and their sensitive information may be leaked out. HTTPS establishes trust with visitors as they know that their sensitive information like credentials, browsing history, account detail, etc. are not at the risk of exposure. In the web protocol, now we will discuss the File Transfer Protocol. FTP stand for File Transfer Protocol. It is used to transfer files across the internet. FTP is commonly used by web developers to publish updates to a website, to upload a new version of the websites. Where HTTP is used for displaying the file in your browser, FTP is used simply to transfer the file from one computer to a specific location on another computer. Now SMTP, ICMP and TCP. SMT is a simple mail transfer protocol, a protocol for email message on the internet. But ICMP, Internet Control Message Protocol, used to report problems with delivery of IP datagram within an IP network. Transmission Control Protocol, reliable transmission protocol, and it guarantees that proper data transfer will take place. Now in the next lecture we will discuss the common terms which are used for web development. Now we will let you show you common terms in the next lecture. Allah Hafiz.